It's a winter wonderland here in Brockton. Snow is piled high behind me, and I can tell you, well over a foot of snow. People spent the entire day trying to clear it out. They're digging out in Brockton.
I mean, it's a lot more than I expected, that's for sure.
When storms like this hit, New England ingenuity goes on full display. We found a man using a leaf blower to clear off his car and walkway.
It's back-breaking, to be honest. That's why we're trying to pull out leaf blowers. If anything, you're lucky if you have a snow blower or a snowplow, anything.
This man has a snow blower. He's taking his time clearing the driveway.
When I woke up this morning, I stepped out of my house. I went right up to here. I was like, oh my God. For a 50-year-old man, a lot heavy.
The snow blanketing the streets, making travel tough. Plows working hard, trying to clear as much as they can.
It's difficult, especially when the plows can't do a great job because people don't get their cars off the street.
The problem is not the removal. The problem is finding a place to put it. So we're out here not only shoveling, but trying to find a place to put it all.
This man is plowing out friends and neighbors. He stops to help if someone flags him down.
They usually need a lot of help, and I mean, who doesn't need help with this much snow?
Who doesn't need a little bit of help? That's right. Now, the next thing that we all really need to worry about, besides the fact that it's snowing again, is these big, high mounds of snow. You got to take it slow. You'll see a lot of that in neighborhoods. People try to eke out and they turn and they don't see the person coming around the corner. So try and take it slow out there as we all get through this. We're live in Brockton. Charmin Sketty, WCVB News Center 5.